Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can edit your photo with zooming effect in EPIK. So here, you just need to import your photo to EPIK and then you can just go to effects. But now I'm going to just crop the photo first. Okay, into this size, click on the check icon and then go to effects and find blur and then swipe until you find the zoom effect. So just click on the effects and in here you can just adjust the effects into your liking. So I'm going to add the intensity into like around 70 and then the person I'm going to just go with 100 and you can also lower it. I'm going to lower it into like 80 like this, and then you can also adjust the age. I'm going to lower it into 30, and then here you can also make some adjustment like lower the brightness or add the brightness. So you can just go with the adjustment into your liking. That's up to you, but I'm going to go with this, and here I'm going to add some lower the saturation a bit. And okay, so I think I'm done. So here is the before and here is the after with the zooming effect, and you can just click on the arrow at the top to save your photo to the gallery. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below and click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the following tutorial. Bye.